Hello guys, so in this video I'll be talking on HTML tables. HTML table represents data in a tabular form. It is composed of columns and rows of cells that contain data. The table tag element defines an HTML table. Now, the HTML table element consists of the t-head tag, which defines a table header, the t-body tag, which defines a table body, the t-foot tag defines a table footer, the tr tag defines a table row. Then in this table row, we have what they call the col span. The col span attribute defines how many columns should a cell span contain. The t-head or therefore the th tag defines a table heading. The td tag defines a table data or cell. In this table data, we have what they call the row span, and this row span attribute defines how many rows should a cell span contain. It also works in th tag. Now we have the col group. In this col group specifies a group of one or more columns in a table. We have the col tag, which specifies column property for each column in a col group, which is empty element. Now we have the caption tag, which defines a caption for a table. Now, having said all the table elements, we also have the HTML table attribute that is directly attached to the table element if there be need. Now, this consists of the table attributes, which are the align, which defines the alignment of a table. Probably we can make use of this in CSS, but we can also make use of it in HTML, which is the BG color, which defines the background color of a table, the border, the cell padding, the cell spacing, frame, rules, summary, width. All these can be done in CSS. So in my CSS crash course video that will be coming out soon after the HTML crash course, then I will explain this better. So I want you guys to note that all of the mentioned HTML table attributes are already deprecated. It means that they may no longer work in the near future. With that reason, we're not going to explain them. So I'm not going to be explaining them any further. So it's not really necessary. So guys, this is an example of HTML tables. So I'll be making use of VS Code to show you guys to code HTML tables so you guys can see what I mean, and I will be making use of the explanation that I said and I explained in the slides. So let's go. I'm using VS Code, okay, and I'm using an extension of Prettier to format the text and to make it look pretty. And again, I'm using live server, so whenever I reload this, it will automatically come to the browser. So let's go on. Now this is a simple example of a table. So let's use the tag table. Then in this table we'll make use of the t-head. So I'm using emit abbreviation for the extension also, so it automatically comes with VS Code. So whenever you put this shortcut of t-head, then it automatically gives you the tag like this. So t-head, then after t-head we'll look at the tr, that is the row, table row. Then in this table row we look at the table head, and this table head will look at the first name. So after this, then let's look at another t-head of last name. So let's see how it looks like. Save. Now you can see first name, last name. Now that is for the T head. Now let's come under this T head and let's face the T body. So whenever we reload anything here, it will appear beneath this first name and this last name. Now the T body will have the TR, that is the row, and this row will contain the T data. So whenever we put this T data, then the computer knows that we're making use of this first row, which is the first name. Then we'll put any name here in which it will appear here first. So TD as Joanne. So let's save. Now you can see is in this first name, Joanne, and the other TD contains John. So let's save. Now the last name contains John. Now let's make it more cool. So let's make use of Crane. Let's make use of Crane as the surname. Kane. Let's make use of Kane. So Joan Kane. Okay. Now after that, we can still copy this and form a new one, but let's make it more advanced and let's make use of the T body and the T foot. Now the T foot will contain the T row, which is this. Then this T row will contain the TD of footer. So let's just show what the footer is. Okay, sorry, I don't need the tag, I just need the footer. So remove this tag footer. So that is pretty much it. Now let's copy this and put it down here. Save. Now you can see this is the footer. So that is pretty much it in this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.